Good morning, everybody. This is your Sherelle Adventure, and I'm sending you greetings. So, this is officially my first video, and I want to show you a little bit of my surrounding. Um, since winter, this is the first. It has been so bright, and I love it. So I just have to share it with you guys. But today, my video is not about here. My video is about unboxing my GoPro 12, which I'm excited about. So we're gonna go straight into that. By the way, this is the countryside, okay? Not the city. Very much country. Do you hear the sounds of the birds in the morning? It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and look how bright the sun is, right? But anyway, see you guys. Welcome everyone to my channel. Today is a special day, as you can see here on your screen, because we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new GoPro 12. So I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, I guess, and now it's finally here, and I can't wait to see what's inside. By the way, it's not the creator's pack, it's just a standard pack. So here we have this right here, as you can see. Also, I grabbed one of the SanDisk SD cards, so we open that and then we insert it into the GoPro when we open it. But for now, we're gonna open this and see what's inside this sweet box. So here they made it easy for us. Where do I? Oh, here. Just strip. So that's a fail. Okay, so I've come to realize that I'm not very good at unboxing. So I've decided to go ahead and open the box off camera. Okay, so here we have the packaging, and it's nothing fancy. It's a box, I guess companies are now trying to practice sustainability and all of that stuff, but it's all good. I guess I would have to buy a case to put my GoPro in, but here it is. See? So here I have to update, download the app, scan, and all of those things. So that's that. Here you get the opportunity to subscribe, right? Do that if you want. Here we have stickers if you want to stick, yeah, and manual stuff. And here have product questions. You can just read this, or you can just watch YouTube. Anyways, so here we are. This is where we want to be, yeah? So here we have our USB card. Nothing is in this really, because this is not the creator's kit, as I've mentioned earlier. It's just a standard kit. However, I have decided to buy the media mode, yes, to add to my GoPro. So here we go. So this, you use it to mount on whatever you have, your hat, your helmet. If you want to stick this to something, maybe a wall or whatnot, glass, you can push it in here. Wait, how do you do this thing? bear with me, guys, bear with me. I think you do something like, okay, I guess if this was sticking to something, it would be easier. So you hold on.
Stop!
You know what? We'll do this later. I can't deal with this. So we have this. Put this. And then here we have our battery. Okay, so we don't have to rip it. We can just take it out. Okay. So this is the battery for the... Alright. So the battery goes here. And this is what we've been waiting for, right? This beautiful thing is what we've been waiting for. So let's put this aside for a while. Okay, so here we are. How do you do this? You take this. Oh. By the way, guys, it's my first GoPro, so you have to... Nothing works. Nothing strips off for me. Gosh, I guess I just gotta rip. Yep, that worked. Put this aside. Yep. So here, first impression. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. As you can see, let's see if this is going to work. No, man. Something. No way. Am I that clumsy or something? Let's see. Okay. You gotta be gentle. Yeah. Alright. So we got that off. Ah, this one is easy. Bam. So why are the others so difficult? So around here, this is easy as well. That looks nice. I love it. Love it. All right, so here we have the 12. I love the fact that it is so compact. I like the little blue, some little blue spots all over. I like that. Let's turn this around, turn it on, see what happens. Okay. All right, so here's the quick app. My phone, GoPro. It says pair, so it's pairing my GoPro with my phone, connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Okay. All right, so as you can see, guys, we are back, and this thing is up and running. So to set, all you need to do is to scroll. And so that's ready.